Hi everyone! Today we are going to be doing our 7th lesson.
It's painted rocks.
So it is a simple one. All you'll be following along with me for is a little inspiration because it's pretty self-explanatory. What you'll need is
medium rocks, about this big, no smaller than that, no bigger than that.
You'll also need acrylic paint, paintbrushes, a palette or a paper plate, Sharpies, or permanent markers. I will be teaching you 3 basic rock designs, so get those rocks, get your paint, meet me outside.
This is your warning, your hands will be getting messy, so if you don't want your hands messy, wear gloves.
There are 2 ways I will teach you to prime your rock before you start the art. The first is painting one side of it with white acrylic paint, letting it dry, and then painting the other side. The next, if you happen to have a bucket of house paint, I found that this was a simpler and quicker process to priming your rocks for the perfect paint job. Just dip and release to dry. It does take a little bit longer to dry, heads up. You do not have to prime in white. You can use any color you want, whether it's house paint or acrylic paint.
Now I'm painting flowers on one. I did a black circle in the middle and then purple petals.
The more detail you add, the more interesting your rock will look.
So I'm adding some white petals on top. Then we can do another one where it says something moderately clever, like you rock. Okay, I know we have to do at least one ladybug, so here we go. Take some black on top of a pink or red or any color really, and I'm just going to divide it in half with one line. Okay. Paint its head all solid black first. There we go. Then she just needs some polka dots. And I think I remember that the dots have to be matching. If I'm wrong, you let me know. But I think that's what I remember from my bug catching days. I'm switching brushes so that I can have clean white for the eyeballs. Back to my black brush, just dots in your white dots. I need to clean that up a little bit. There we go. Now I think I want my ladybug to be smiling, so I'm taking my white brush again. Let me see if I can show you. There we go. And he's smiling now. A little goofy, but adorable. I love him.
You now know 3 basic rock designs. There are millions in the world. Here are some of my other ideas. If you paint rocks unique from these designs, leave a picture in the comment below. I would love to see your creativity. Now that your rocks are painted, what I like to do is put them in a bag and go for a walk in my neighborhood. Then I hide them in my neighbors' yards, on their porches. I think that they will smile, maybe want to spread some joy when they find their rocks. And that's really the mission of painted rocks, I think, is to just make other people smile and spread a little kindness in this dark world. With that being said, thank you so much for joining me for these basic rock painting lessons. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I can't wait to make another simple art lesson for you kiddos out there. Peace out! Spread love!
Not germs.